Thanks for joining me today at Harris Financial Coaching. Today we're going to talk about debt freedom. Let's get to it.
Debt freedom, or even reducing your debt. Are those terms that you're interested in? Being debt free releases some of the stress and worry that you may have on a day to day or a weekly basis regarding the loans or creditors that you owe. If you are debt free, don't forget to continue to save money and build wealth. Invest in your future, invest in your children's future. They may be looking to go to college, and now that you're debt free, you can help fund that education that they have. If you are trying to reduce your debt and you get your debt down to a manageable level, continue to save money because you don't owe those creditors anymore. Put money away in an emergency fund. Put money away for a vacation or some other financial goal that you may have for yourself. Don't spend it on frivolous things that you want but don't need. Keep that cushion there so that you can continue to be stress-free and worry-free regarding debt. If you want to find out how to set up an emergency fund or also just increase the savings that you have, reach out to me at www.harriswealthcoach.com.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found value in what you heard here today. And until next time, thank you for joining me.